There once was a herd in the countryside, happy and peaceful, and one day Ace said to Hurricane, "Hurricane, there's humans coming."
What?
How in the world did humans find this place?
"I don't know. What if they catch us all?"
Everyone settle down.
"What are we gonna do?"
Settle down.
"We're done for."
I said settle down. And then...
There they are. "Susie, get ready. We're gonna get this horse today."
Shoot!
Run.
Run faster! Run faster! Crackers, you got away. Well, not for long. Ugh. You thought you can get away, huh? Hurricane, stop. We'll come back for him later. But for now, let us go. And they took him to Horse Club stables. And they treated him very badly. 2 months passed, and one day one of the people said, "It's time to give this boy a test run."
Do you really think you can ride me? In your dreams.
Stay still. It ain't funny. Let me try. Well, suit yourself.
Oh my God!
Are you okay? I'm fine. And they realized they could not control him. So they locked him in the stables for 4 long years. After all those years had passed, that one day in the night, his herd came and bust him out of the stables. And after that, he was free. And he decided to move to a different place so nothing like that would happen to him again or anyone else. And they were happily ever after.